right, Sanibonani Abantwana, Kia ora bocha for joining and viewing the videos. All right, you're live with Mr. B here, and guys, we're going to look at the next part of our PAT phase. Please like, subscribe, and drop us a comment. I really like the comments. There's nothing worse than speaking to a screen, so it's nice when you guys comment, okay? Do that, please. All right, so we're looking here on page 10. Which now says to us that we should create a suitable folder structure. Okay, so we need to store our information, our whole PAT, into a folder. Very, very important, guys. How you lay this out is for marks, and that if you are in for assessment with your teacher, we can find the stuff that you've done. All right, there's many learners who make mistakes with this one. We can't find the information, and then we can't give you the marks. All right, so let's have a look what it says here. Create a suitable folder structure. Now, they don't give you much guidelines with what should be in this folder this year round. Okay, they're starting to rely on you based on from grade 10 and 11 that you should know what should go into folders and what is required. Okay, so really quite important to remember the basics there. Okay, right, so I'm going to go here to the desktop and let's see if we can create this. Now, you need to create yourself a folder. Guys, if you don't mind, I'm going to put mine just in a PAT folder that I'm using for teaching and whatever the case may be. But you will right-click and you'll create yourself a new folder. Okay, and now it's important how you name this. All right, I always like saying to my learners, use your name. Right, very important, your surname. And please start with capitals. Okay, don't just call it folder or something. That's not going to get you any marks, okay? Right, so Gary Barron's there. I'm in grade 12. Not really, but yes. I'm in grade 12. And then, very important, this is the PAT for 2026. Okay, so it's nicely labeled, guys. Any moderator would find this under your school district or your school, wherever you are at, we can find this now. All right, within that folder. Now, guys, some critical thinking here. This will change as we carry on. Okay, so if we leave something out here, we can always put it in, so this folder structure will change. So I'm going to try to do the core basics of this folder for PAT. Right, so we have got 3 phases, don't we? Right, so let's start off with that. Right click new folder. We've got a phase 1. Right. Oh, might help if I spell right. Hey, we've got a phase 1, don't we? Yes. We've got, which is all our research. We've got a phase 2. Right. We will be analyzing stuff out, all the information that we've found, and then our final part of the PAT, which will be phase 3. Okay, happy so far? 3 phases in our folder, and the breadcrumb clearly shows us where we are within our folder. Okay, right, then within phase 1, guys, we will have our main document, our research document, or planning document, all right, or report is another word that you can use, but we'll also need a folder for our sources. Okay, so we'll save all our websites that we've gone and analyzed, all our summaries, that will be inside this one along with a report. Okay, great. Right, so that's phase 1 basically. Right, let's go up. Let's see if we can populate phase 2. Right, phase 2 is where we're going to do our analysis. Right, so we will have a survey forms. Okay, that is what we'll have. So we'll be conducting a survey, and those survey forms or survey responses will be in there. Right, we'll also have an Excel analysis. Okay, very important. We will analyze our questions. We'll also have an access database, access analysis. Right, good. That is there. So survey forms will be over there, and all our responses that we gathered. We've got Excel analysis, we've got access analysis, which is great. Okay, and let's go up to the phase 3. Oh, and then I suppose in here as well, guys, will be our phase 2 document with these reflections within that document. Okay, then phase 3, we know that we'll be building a website. Okay, so let's do website. And again, guys, there'll be more folders within these as we populate the information, and then our final report in for moderation, and that's where we get our final marks from. So, guys, that is the folder structure for your PAT for 2026. Not all that difficult to do, so please make sure, stop, pause, rewind, drop us a comment. You're more than welcome to do that. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Please like, subscribe. Kia ora bocha, thank you, dankie. See you in the next video.